Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Qlango language learning lifetime deal, available right now on StackSocial. So what is Qlango? Think of it as a mix between Duolingo's gamified style and a flashcard trainer with real-world examples. The app supports 56 languages, from the big ones like Spanish, French, and Japanese, to harder-to-find options like Slovene, Icelandic, or even Uyghur. That makes it especially valuable if you're learning a language most apps don't even touch. What I love is that you're encouraged to answer only in your target language, which really pushes you to think naturally instead of just memorizing translations. Here's what makes Qlango stand out. Game-based learning. Multiple modes like matching, translation, dictation, and sentence building. Spaced repetition. A proven method that helps you actually remember words long-term. Massive vocabulary. Over 6,600 essential words, each with 2 example sentences. 6 difficulty levels. Perfect whether you're a complete beginner or brushing up on your skills. Audio support. Tap on any word to hear clear pronunciation. Custom learning paths. Choose whether you want to focus on single words, phrases, or full sentences. Basically, it's flexible. You can go as light or as deep as you want at your own pace. Now here's the kicker. The normal price is $119.99, but right now on StackSocial, it's just $39 for lifetime access. That's 66% off, and over 1,000 people have already grabbed it. If you've been paying for monthly subscriptions on other apps, this deal basically pays for itself in 1 month. Pros: huge language selection, affordable one-time payment, flexible learning styles, and spaced repetition for real retention. Cons: some users say it's more focused on vocabulary than full conversation practice, so if you're looking for deep grammar explanations, you may need to supplement it. I'll drop the link to the deal in the description below. Don't wait too long though. These StackSocial lifetime deals don't stay up forever. And if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more lifetime deal reviews, and let me know in the comments, which language are you learning right now? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.